Sitting all of my tears, playing with the ideas. I could make it so easy this time. I could give you a call, say Whitney, no talk. Write the end of the story tonight.